Alright, great guys, welcome to the video presentation. My name is Ekemini Ekbo. It's a pleasure having you watch this. And here briefly I want to talk about post-Utme past questions. It's in just a summary. Who am I? I am the owner of examsandschools.com and also the owner of pastquestionsandprojects.com. Now our vision in those two sites is actually to help students, candidates and job seekers get access to quality information and materials which can actually better their lives in their quest for either admission or employment in and outside of this country. So today I'm talking about post-Utme past questions. I'm glad that you are actually here on my blog or anywhere where you can actually get this video from, maybe on YouTube. It's okay. And just want to tell you that it's very possible for you to get past questions sent to you even as I'm talking to you right now. Okay, so we have a lot of collection. We've collected so many past questions from different schools, and what we do is actually to get past questions in hard copy, type them, and then convert them into PDF. Okay, like I have here some samples from different schools. For example, this is one collection. We get to the schools, we get this collection like this, just something of this nature. Then we type them and then we convert them into PDF. I have other samples from other schools, like these other ones here. This is also another sample. We have other kinds of samples. Actually, the hard copies. These are the hard copies which we get from schools. Then we type them and convert them into PDF. So many of them here. So that's basically, we get to the schools, we get hard copy past questions, we type them, we convert them into PDF. Let me just take you to the folder where these past questions are, so they can actually see. I like people to see these things for themselves, so that you will not think that it is fake or it's not possible. I will just open one folder and show you. I have many folders. I will just show you one. Now I have collections. You can see the collections. You can see AAU. Let me just open AAU for you to see. These AAU past questions, I told you we get them and type them. First of all, we type them in Microsoft Word and convert them to PDF. That's AAU. You can see AAU, EPSU. I won't open everything. It's gonna take a lot of time. This video already is very long. This AXU, ANSU, BECE, Common Entrance, DELSU, FUTU, Microbar University, you can see for Nekede, OAU, Unipen, Unicar, Unila, Uniport, UNUU, Unizik, Unilorin, UNN. Now, AAU, AAUA, Abia Poly, ABU, Zaria. Now, Bowen, Bells, Benue, Babcock, Auchi Poly, Aqua Poly, Upward, Covenant, BUK, BSU, Crutech, DELSU, EXU, ESUT, Fate Poly Ede, Fate Poly Ida, Fate Poly Ofa, Fate Poly Oku, Fate Poly Ada, Fate Poly Nas, Fuam, Fulafia, Funap, Fuotueke. So many schools. Fupre. I can see Igbenedion, I can see Futa, I can see Imopoli, IMT, Jabu, Cat Poly, KSU. So many. I won't call every because it's so many. So what I'm saying in essence is that these past questions are there. Unijos, all of these are. Let me just open one. Uni Oshun. Let me just open Uni Oshun for you to see. So we have the past questions. They are there for almost all the schools in this country. Getting them is not a problem. We'll send it to you. You can see it's for Uni Oshun. It's for Uni Oshun. Now, past questions are there. It's now left for you to get them. Getting them is very easy. I'm gonna drop my phone number in the video, so just check the phone number, put a call across to me, and I'll send it to you. If you're on WhatsApp, beautiful, you can still send it to you on WhatsApp. If you're not on WhatsApp, you can call me with the number you see on the screen, then I will send it to you. These are real past questions. These are live past questions. As I have shown you, these are past questions, samples. These are all
just samples of the ones. We just try to show off this one. Just put the password like this, type it, convert them to PDF. So they are real. Okay, you can see they are real. You buy the past questions, you type them, convert them into PDF ourselves. So that is it. My name remains Ekemini Ekpo. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the inside. Have no fears, have no doubt. We're dealing with a real guy. So get the past questions from us, start studying them, practice them, and with God, success is sure for you this year. So see you in the inside. Call me with the number on the screen, and I'll get the past questions to you. Any school at all, it's available. Thank you.